Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechKC. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this EZBRO premium looking shoes, which you can use it for like casual wear or office wear, or it gets the premium look. And this is the box package, and the user has got this from the Flipkart website, and that too for 700 to 750 rupees. Okay, yeah, 750 rupees, I guess. And the user has ordered this for office purpose, actually for the daily use only. And this is the leather material, like synthetic leather. Okay, not exactly the pure leather, but I saw the pictures on the Flipkart site. At the end of the video, I'll show you the pictures or the where the user has bought this. And this shoes looking somewhat similar to the look in the pictures only, means the quality is good. That's what I mean to say. See, I'll be showing you the close look here, and the shoes are looking premium only. The leather material and even the stitching. It's always better to have this sort of stitching instead of the gum material. Gum has a tendency to just go off, but the stitching is looking premium, and this black strip also is looking pretty premium. And the leather, what I have mentioned, is of good quality. Yeah, this especially I like is this black strap. Okay, and coming to the weight, it looking pretty lightweight only. That you can say, because I just have the hands-on experience. So yeah, it's lightweight only, and the quality looks decent and close enough to the pictures what I have shown in the online site. Okay, at the end we'll see the ratings, the current price and everything at the end of the video. And this comes with the lace. Okay, and this is not waterproof. Okay, as the material is somewhat leather, so this is not waterproof or washable. You can just clean with the dry cloth or something like that, but it's not washable. That is what you need to remember. And the sole and the inner part is smooth enough. That's what I can say. It's looking pretty smooth. Okay, even the sole also, not that hard material, even the sole also, it's looking smooth only. And if you do have any other questions on this shoes, EZBRO shoes, you can just ask your questions in the comment section. I'll try to reply. And please do post your opinions on this shoes look. How do you feel about the shoes? They're looking quite premium only at this budget range, I should say. They are looking premium. And if anyone has used this brand shoes already, you can share your opinions in the comments. It would be really help others who are looking to buy shoes from this brand. Yeah, that's all. Okay, we can go for the online details of this shoes, for the price and everything, ratings and everything. Inner also looking pretty soft, as I already said. Yeah. Yeah, see here, just to show you the online details about this premium looking shoes. EZBRO premium casual trendy shoes with laces. See here, this got 4 ratings, and few users have already purchased this and rated decently. 4 is good enough, and the price is, maybe now it has been reduced. The user got it like 700 to 750 something like that. Maybe it has got slightly reduced. It is saying like special price. The user has, I already said, the user has purchased this for the office wear purpose, and that to daily purpose. Yeah, if possible, I can keep this product in the view products. You can check this product for more details, for the more information. And if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. And please do find the Lee Cooper shoes, what I have did the unboxing 6 months back. If you want that shoes, you can just check the link in the description for that.